How to fix Instagram login error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings app. Click on the Wi-Fi option. Now click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. For this network, give a first restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, scroll down and click on the option General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of the app, find Instagram and launch it. Now click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. With these, your problem might be fixed. You might be able to log into your account. Next thing you want to do is use a different device or browser. If you're having issue in the app, you can navigate to any of the preferred browser, head over to the website of Instagram and try to log in. Likewise, reset password. Click on the option Forgot Password and reset it. This might also fix your issue. Next thing you want to check is either you are connected to VPN or not. If you are connected to any VPN, just disconnect to it. If none of these solutions work, contact Instagram support team. For that, close this and navigate to the website help.instagram.com. From here, you can report about the issue. So these are some fixes for Instagram login error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.